To make a video real quick on how to find cute fonts for your iPad or iPhone, and you could use these fonts for your digital planners or any creative stuff that you're doing on your iPad or iPhone. So what you want to do first is download iFont, this app right here. So I'm just gonna open to that, and then to search for fonts, we'll want to go to Font Finder. So there's a number of different ways we could look for fonts. The one that I'm used to is defont.com. So we'll just look here. We could look at like the top fonts. And then yeah, we could see a number of cute fonts that we can download from defont.com. And there's also other sites like this one, 1001 free fonts, and also Font Space. So we'll just focus on here first. So all you have to do is just really look for whichever font that you want. So let's go to top fonts. Let's download this cute cartoon font. So we're just gonna click download, and then something will pop up here, open zip archive, and then we want to import to iFont. So after we import it, then we'll go here on this bottom left hand corner where it says installer, and then on the side here are the fonts that are imported. So we're going to want to install each of them. So we'll do one at a time. So after we click install, then we're gonna want to allow and then close. So after we install, we're going to want to go to our settings. So I'll open my settings, and then in your settings where it says profile downloaded, we'll click on that, and then this will pop up. So this is the font that we just added to our profile. So we'll press install, enter our passcode, and then press install again, and then done. So now to check if we have the font, what was the font I downloaded? Is Caviar, was it Caviar? So we go here, close, it was Cute Cartoon Regular. So now I'm going to open my GoodNotes app and look for it. So right here, it's right here, Cute Cartoon. So in the text box, just type in, now you can just type in now we have this font, and it's really that simple. So just going back, you also want to download like the other versions, like the italic version, so that you can, sometimes that you'll need to like download the bold versions, and these are some of the fonts that I've downloaded before. I really like this one, Stay Home, Hug Me Tight, Shorelines. This is really, really cute. And yeah, so you're just gonna want to do them for each. Caviar Dreams is also nice and good mood. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and if it was helpful, please like and subscribe, and let me know if there are any other videos that